Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. In today's video, I present to you some fantastic country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic country home decor is a style that blends the warmth and coziness of country living with the elegance and charm of vintage elements. It is all about creating a space that feels inviting, nostalgic, and beautifully owned in, while still looking stylish and thoughtfully crafted. Here is how defined set, overall atmosphere, warm, welcoming, and relaxed. It should feel like a home that has been loved for generations. Combines country cottage comfort with vintage sophistication. Has a touch of romantic charm but never feels too formal. Furniture, antique or vintage inspired pieces, distressed tables, spindle-back chairs, and carved headboards. Mix of old and new. Heirloom furniture paired with modern comforts. Use farmhouse style cupboards, hatches, and dressers. Materials and textures. Use natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, wicker, and stone. Distress finishes that show patina and history. Layered textures. Use crocheted shawls, ruffled cushions, and quilted blankets. Decorative accents. Vintage finds. Use old clocks, enamel jugs, glass bottles, candle holders. Handmade touches, crochet table runners, embroidered cushions, reclaimed or repurposed items with history. Use soft, romantic lighting like candlelights, wall sconces, and table lamps with fabric shades. Key difference from a standard country style. Regular country decor can feel more rustic and firm-like. Vintage country is softer, more feminine, and has a touch of shabby elegance. The heart of the style, vintage country, is basically a love letter to timeless living. It is a mix of nostalgic charm, think grandma's house, and soft elegance that keeps it feeling stylish rather than outdated. It has three key ingredients: the country core, cozy, rural, handmade, and nature connected. The vintage soul, aged, stored, and gently worn in pieces. The chic touch, soft sophistication, romance, and harmony in colors and textures. Deeper details, the foundation, walls, floors, and layouts. Walls often painted in muted shades or soft whites, with occasional floral wallpaper or bedboard paneling for texture. Floors. Wood is ideal, whether polished or slightly weathered, layered with vintage rugs. Layout. Spaces feel open but cozy, with furniture arranged for conversation and comfort rather than formal symmetry. Furniture styles and arrangements mix and match eras. A farmhouse table paired with elegant upholstered chairs, for example. Not showroom perfect, pieces look collected over time. Function first, but always with visual charm, like painted dresser used for kitchen storage. Fabrics and soft furnishings, layered fabrics, lace curtains over cotton blinds, quilts on sofas, duffel table skirts. Natural fibers, linen, cotton, wool, breathable and tactile. Use romantic detailing like embroidery, crochet, and frills, but in moderation so it does not feel cluttered. Accessories and decorative pieces, functional decor, things that look pretty but are also useful. Use enamel pictures, vintage braid tins, and ceramic bowls. Vintage glassware, cut glass vases, apple jars, decoration glass. Sentimental items use family heirlooms, framed black and white photos, and inherited china. Lighting, warm, soft glow rather than harsh with light. Use candlelights with crystals or edged metal. Also use lamps with plated or floral shades. Candles and lanterns for that cozy romantic vibe. Garden and nature influence, fresh flowers in mismatched vases. Use botanical prints or floral paintings, herbs in terracotta pots on kitchen windowsills. The spirit of vintage chic country. This style is about creating a home that feels lived in, loved, and layered with history, but is still clean and fresh enough to look timeless. It is not about buying a matching set from a store. It is about crafting a space of a time, mixing inherited treasures with flower market finds, and blending them with cozy country warmth. Core design principles: imperfect beauty. Embrace the idea of perfectly imperfect. A tipped enamel jugs, a slightly faded floral quilt, a table with own edged patina and edged add authentic charm. Comfort above all. Every space should feel welcoming and usable. Overly formal or stiff furniture is avoided. Instead, pieces are soft, approachable, and often oversized for lounging. Beyond storytelling, Chekhov tells a story of travels, family, and history. Romance feel like they have evolved naturally over decades, not been designed in on weekend. Detail style components, patterns, floral prints, especially those with a vintage look, like faded roses trailing Venus, checks and gingham, often on tablecloths, curtains, or seat cushions. Child decor for delicate pastel accents in muted blues or reds, subtle patchwork in quilts or throw pillows. Furniture finishes distressed paintwork. Use chalk paint in white, cream, or pastel. Natural wood, often in honey, oak, or vivid gray tones. Painted furniture with slightly on edged. Nature connected accents. Use dried lavender bundles, wicker baskets for storage, seasonal wildflowers in ceramic jugs. Lifestyle elements. Vintage chic is not just about how a home looks, it is about how it feels to live in it. Freshly baked bread cooling on a farmhouse table. Afternoon tea served in mismatched china. Wooden sofa too late in the sound of birds and the scents of the garden. a book nook with a quiet, agitating lamp, and a stock of classics. White works so well, timeless appeal, it never really goes out of style. Personalization. No two vintage country homes are the same. Warmth and charm makes guests instantly feel at home. Budget friendly because many treasures can be shifted or repurposed. The emotional core. Vintage country is not just a style, it is a feeling. When you step into a home decorated this way, you feel nostalgia, like stepping into a memory of childhood summers at grandma's or in an old countryside inn. Comfort, no space feels too precious to touch or use. Romantic simplicity, use soft colors, floral touches, and gentle lighting. How it balances taste, country, for cozy, natural, and warm. Chic, for soft elegance, feminine touches, a sense of crest. Next, vintage, for time on beauty, heirloom pieces, and nostalgic items. When these three are balanced, you get a home that feels both refined and inviting. Hallmark elements, colors, soft white, cream, dusty pink, shush, pale dark egg blue. Avoid neon or overly bright modern tones. Aged or muted shades help keep the look authentic. Furniture, painted or distressed wood furniture, uses spindle-back chairs, farmhouse tables, carved headboards. Pieces often mix practical farmhouse sturdiness with delicate vintage detailing. Design techniques that make it work, layering fabrics, textures, and patterns build depth and coziness. Mixing Ada's 1920s dresser next to a 1950s kitchen cabinet. Using art as beauty, scarves, shapes, and faded fabric are embraced, not hidden. Bringing the garden inside, fresh or dried flowers in multiple rooms. Daily life in a vintage country home. Open shelving displays everyday china and glassware. The dining table is always ready to host, perhaps with a vase of roses in the center. The kitchen smells like baking or fresh herbs. Soft lamplight replaces harsh overhead lighting in the evenings. Why it is so popular, it is timeless. Trends may change, but this style still feels relevant. It is customizable, from more rustic to more elegant. It is budget friendly. Many items can be thrifted, inherited, or upcycled. It feels deeply personal. Your home tells your story. The heart of the look, vintage country decor is romantic country life meets old world elegance. Think of farmhouse kitchen with old wooden counters, lace trimmed curtains, and an animal jug full of fresh daisies. A bedroom with a carved wooden bed, quilted covers, and soft candlelight. A living room where every corner feels like it has a story. It is not grand new rustic, it is gently aged beauty that feels collected over time. The signature style rolls. Roll 1, keep it soft. No harsh colors or shiny plastics. Stick to chalky paints, earned oats and fabrics that feel cozy. Rule number 2. Lay toned mat. Mix different oats, metals, and patterns. A mismatched set of chairs around the dining table is a win, not a problem. Rule number 3. Tell a story. Use pieces that show personality. Inherited china or flower market lamps, a quiet your grandmother made. Decor and styling tricks. Layer fabrics. A lace runner over a linen tablecloth, a chow rug overlapping. Mix new and old, a modern lamp with a vintage shade, or new curtains tied back with antique ribbons. Highlight patina, turn to paint every scratch. Late the history show, seasonal touches, spring flowers in milk glass, autumn branches in a ceramic jugs. Little luxurious that elevate the look, crystal glassware for everyday water or juice. Use winter silver cutlery in a mason jar on the table. Use handmade soaps in a bathroom dish. Embroidered pillowcases on the bed. The character of the style. Vintage country is gentle, storied, and soulful. It is like a conversation between country comfort for warmth, natural textures, and a homely feel. Vintage nostalgia, items with history, software, and timeless charm. Chic elegance, romantic detailing, graceful lines, and cohesive color flow. It is neither purely rustic, too rough, not purely shabby, too freely. Instead, it is balanced. The design mindset, collected, don't copy. The look should feel gathered over years, not bought all at once. Honor the past, live in the present. Vintage pieces are paired with modern comfort. Imperfections add value. Chips, faded paint, and uneven earth tones are part of the beauty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.